I promise you 3 things are going to blow your mind. And the first one is what I use in my classroom every day. So I'm just going to play this video and I'm going to narrate it. Hopefully it doesn't make too much noise. So I had a class on branding. This is actually, and I just copied the transcripts. So it's a 1 hour, I've done 4-hour classes. So I go in there and now I'm going to go over to Gemini, million context window. There's some images I did. This is on my phone, folks. Then I come down here and I just copy, paste. That's an hour and 24 minutes worth of stuff. You pay it forward and don't want to think for you accept what you're, okay. Then I said, okay, yeah, make a note for my branding class, break it down to all the major points that I said. Please quote me if there's anything important that I said. Give me assignments. So it's I'm basically giving it everything it needs. So if a student missed the class today, these are my notes. I just have my phone in my pocket, turn it on. I have no students in there. In fact, if I do have students that said something, I can tell it, don't leave out the students' comments. Okay, so then it just did this, the soul of design and the human lens, branding and visual communications class. Design is not about aesthetics, it's about social, photographer's toolbook, the magic words. So this was about critiquing and how do you talk about photography and branding. Okay, so that's great. So I just take that and I make a quick little copy of it. I'm showing you what the different things are. So I can send this to Brandon if he doesn't want it, I'm sure, right? But what I can do is I just go right there and say export to docs. So it's now creating a Google document, open it. I'm now in my Google Drive, deposit. And I want to make a copy for somebody else. So I go to document, send a copy as a PDF or a Word document. Then you can see, I can send it to Brandon, to Kat, to my sister. I can put it in Gemini. I can go over to Claude. I can go to OneDrive. So my school has OneDrive. So this is my class where I have all the files for my branding class, bingo. And I'm just going to upload it there. They now have a working Word document with all the notes for the class. If I have a student who is absent, I can automate the process of sending it to them. How freaking cool is that? And look at what it's got. Juxtaposition. I mean, this was a really good one, right? Key quotes. Humor is tragedy plus time. Truth is time is love. If you spend time in love, and you know how I talk. So this was a pretty good one, but I do this literally every single day for every class. And I could do it in Spanish. So I could say, convert to Spanish, Creole, if they want it. And there we go.